This trading bot just asked my permission. It scans hundreds of stocks across the US and India, finds a clean breakout, calculates the stop and the target, and then it stops. It messages your phone and it waits for you to say go. You reply with one word. That's your whole job. Everything after that, that is entry, stop loss, target, exit, it handles all of that all alone. This bot also sends an alert on Telegram providing you daily summary of the trades you took with complete details of number of wins, number of losses, days P&L and number of positions still open. It then goes a mile ahead and captures all your trade information with daily P&L in this beautiful dashboard automatically, which you can use for analysis purpose. And if you have ever tried building something like this, you know the drill. A dozen of prompts, one for the strategy, one for the scanner, alerts, dashboard, and somewhere around prompt 7, you quit. This took one. Yes, you heard it right, only one prompt. One plain English prompt that builds the scanner, the Telegram approval flow, and a clean React dashboard. I will show you the exact prompt first. I am Nitin. You are watching the AI University. I have spent years building real-world machine learning and AI applications. Quick heads up before we go further. Everything here is education and research running on a simulated paper trading account, not real money. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not an investment advice, and nothing you see is a buy or sell recommendation. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. You will see 4 things in this video. 1. The 4 rules that separate a real breakout from a fake one, written so plainly you could hand them to Claude yourself. 2. The single copy-paste prompt that turns those rules into a scanner for both US and Indian stocks. A scanner that asks you before it trades. No code on your end. And 3. The React Tailwind dashboard Claude builds inside that same prompt. So you can see everything your bot is doing at a glance. And number 4, the exact Telegram conversation, the candidate list, the order confirmation, the exit alert, because that little message thread is where this whole system lives. And by the end of this video, you will have watched all of it come together from one message or one prompt. But I'm going to tell you honestly where it still falls short, because that part matters more than the demo. But before any of this works, one thing has to already be in place. Claude needs to be connected to your interactive broker's account. I'm not redoing that here. I walked through the entire setup in part 1 of this video, installing the tools, flipping the one broker setting that lets Claude actually trade, placing your first test order on a paper trading account. So that's a prerequisite to this video. Link of that video is in the I button as well as in the description. And if you're already gone through that video, then here is what you stand. Claude can read your account and place a paper trade on command. That's the starting line. Therefore, the real question of this video is, how do we turn a connection that obeys commands into a system that finds the trades itself? Now, before Claude can trade anything, it needs rules, not vibes, rules. A breakout sounds simple. Price breaks a level, you buy. But that's exactly how most people lose money on breakouts. The level breaks, they jump in, and the move reverses in minutes. That's a false breakout. It's the number one way this setup fails. Therefore, every rule you are about to hear exists for one job: filtering the fakes. 4 conditions, all 4 have to line up. So the first criteria, the level has to be real and it has to be big. We are drawing support and resistance on the daily chart, not some tiny 5-minute line. And we only count a level that price has tested and respected several times. Think of it like a door that has been slammed shut 3 times. The 4th time it swings open. That means something. Second criteria, you wait for a full 1-hour candle to close beyond that daily level. Not a 15-minute candle. Not a wick poking through. Not a spike. a closed 1 hour candle. Why? Because the faster the time frame, the more fakes you get. 15-minute charts are full of them, but move up to daily levels with 1 hour confirmation and most of the noise just disappears. Third, volume has to confirm it. A real breakout brings urgency, more shares changing hands than usual, real buyers stepping in with conviction. So if that breakout candle's volume is sitting below its recent average, that's not conviction, that's a drift, and drift snaps back. Fourth, the exit gets calculated before the entry even exists. Stop loss just past the levels that broke. Profit target at least twice the size of the risk. Every trade knows how it ends before it begins. But here is the one thing I did differently from every hands-off bot you have seen. Claude screens for all 4 conditions and hands me the final list. And then it stops. I am the one who says go. The moment I do, the stop and target take over completely, and whichever gets hit first closes the position right then. No waiting, no second guessing. That's the entire strategy. Now watch how little it takes to hand all of it to Claude for 2 whole markets at once. Now, if you want to know how to download and install Claude desktop on your computer, then you can watch this video where I have provided all the steps. So without much ado, let's move on and build the entire trading bot. So for this project, first you need to select a particular folder wherein you will have all the files generated once this entire application or the entire bot gets built, right? So you can just click on open folder and select any folder from your computer. I have created a new folder with the name automated trading bot, so I selected that. Now from model perspective, I'm selecting Fable 5. I'm on a paid plan, that's why I can see this option. So if you have already purchased the subscription of Claude, you will also be able to see the Fable 5, which is available until July, and after that it will be available via API. So I will select Fable 5 because this is the most latest model right now we have on Claude. And now let me copy paste the prompt. So here it is, the whole thing, one prompt. You can pause and take a note of it. So look at this prompt for a second before I read it. There is no jargon, no code, not one technical term you will need to Google, just plain English describing what I want, because that's genuinely all Claude needs. So you can see that I'm asking it to use the Y Finance data as the data source for price and volume history. It is free and covers both US and Indian stocks. And here you can see that I'm telling it that I already have Claude connected to my interactive broker paper trading account and I can place test orders. And then here in this section, I'm just providing the details of the breakout strategy, long only, all the 4 details that I covered earlier. And then here the screen related details that it needs to show both US and Indian market related ticker symbols and a screen based on the breakouts, so and so forth. So now let me press enter so that it can start building the application, and I will come back once the entire application is built and the processing gets completed. So let's wait for few minutes. Want the full prompt? If you like the complete prompt used in this video, then comment prompt in the comment section. If you found this video useful, I would also really appreciate it if you could like, hype the video and subscribe if you haven't already. It genuinely helps the channel grow and let me create more content like this. To make it fair and fun for everyone, I will publicly release the full prompt by adding the link to the both video description and pinned comment section once this video reaches 650 comments. Remember, you need to comment the text prompt. Now, if you don't want to wait, you can join my school community today where you will get the complete prompt, the full trading bot source code, the dashboard source code shown in this video, additional resources and future updates. Whether you decide to wait for the public release or join the community now, I appreciate your support and hope this project helps you build something awesome. So this is what we got once the Claude Desktop completed the processing. Here you can see that it has created several Python files. One is the level file, which actually finds the daily support resistance the market has tested 3+ times. Then it has created a strategy file where it has applied all the 4 rules that I showed you earlier. Thirdly, we have this screener file which scans all the S&P 500 stocks of US and Nifty 100 stocks of India. Then we have this engine file which runs the schedule itself, meaning it automatically scans the entire market every 1 hour and finds the shortlisted stocks in that 1 hour period. So any new stock appears in next 1 hour, it will show you that. So it scans automatically both Indian as well as US market. Then we have this broker file which actually reuses the existing interactive broker paper setup. So if, let us say, I responds to Telegram message saying that please place a trade for a given stock that it has screened or shortlisted, then this particular file sends the market buy order to the interactive broker and sets the stop loss. In fact, calculates the stop loss and take profit targets automatically and sets those in the interactive broker. Now, if in case either stop loss or take profit hits, then it closes the position and sends you a Telegram alert again telling you that it has closed the position, either stop loss hit or take profit target has been hit. And at the end of the day, it will send you a complete summary of how many trades you took and how many you actually closed with winning positions, how many with losing positions. Then it has created this Tailwind plus React dashboard, this one. And it has automatically created it. This dashboard, you can see that it is showing the today's PNL, win rate, trades taken today, and number of open positions, which are shown here in open position section, all-time PNL, and it shows this all-time profit and loss. Then it also shows you how many were winners versus losers. So it shows you that count. Here in this section, you will see all the closed trades. So you can see that Bharti Airtel closed position here with a profit of 1572. On the left hand side, awaiting your call section, it will actually show you all the stocks that are waiting, whether you want to place the trade for them or not. And this list actually grows or updates every hour once any new stock appears in the screener. So now let's enable the Telegram messages for our trading bot, and we can do that by typing botfather in Telegram search bar. Now type /new bot to create a new bot and give it a name. I'm going to give it a name as IB Claude Trading Bot. Now it is asking for the username. So I will provide a username same as the trading bot name, which is IB Claude Trading Bot. Now it returns with a message saying done, congratulations on your new bot, and provides this access token that will be required later on. So copy paste it at somewhere safe. Now come on to the Claude Desktop and copy this URL at step number 3 and paste it in the browser. Now paste your copied Telegram access token here before the /get updates section and press enter. So now you will see this message. What you need to do is just come back to the Telegram app and press this t.me/IB Claude Trading Bot link. Now press this start button and send any message, for example like hello. Now copy this ID against this message ID section, because this will be required along with access token. Now come to the Claude Desktop and type a message, create a .env file where I will store the Telegram access token as well as chat ID, and then you need to manually store those access token and chat ID by going into the folder location where .env file is located. This is because if you give the chat ID and the access token directly into the Claude chat window, then there is a security risk associated with your access token and chat ID. So it's always advisable to store those details in the .env file from where Claude can read directly. Now come back to Claude Desktop once again, where it says that in order to start the TWS, you need to double click on the start.bat file. So double click on the start.bat file here. So now you can see that our breakout trading bot has been started and Telegram alerts are also enabled here. So now we are ready to take trades on the interactive broker terminal via our trading bot. So now our bot has started working. We have got the list of breakout stocks, and now we are going to place an order. I have selected Bharti Airtel, so I will say please place an order for the Bharti Airtel. And after some time you see that we got a message placing order buy 51 Bharti Airtel at market price, and it has automatically calculated the stop loss, the target, and how much it is risking. And it is also saying that I will message you when either level hits, meaning either stop loss or target hits. So now let's go to the interactive broker terminal and see what it has done. So you can see that it has placed the order and it has automatically placed the stop loss as well as target price or the take profit price automatically. So it's calculated by both SL and TP by itself, and while placing the order it actually set those levels in the interactive broker. Now I wanted to show you the end-to-end flow, so I forced the order to take profit so that I can show you that the correspondingly dashboard is also getting updated. As soon as we did that, we received a message saying that Bharti Airtel has been closed, targets hit and exit at 1982. Okay, and the profit is 1572 rupees, and correspondingly we can see that those value reflected on the dashboard now. So here you can see that today's PNL value, and then win rate, and awaiting your call. So there are on the left hand side you can see that there are certain stocks shown in as awaiting, and the winners and losers as well as closed trades related info. So that's it for today's video, friends. If you found this video useful, drop a like, hype it, and subscribe if you want more builds like this one. And if you want to go deeper between videos, the school community is where I post extended breakdowns, and you can find the entire source code as well as the complete prompt that built this entire trading bot today. So see you in the next one.